Today is a milestone to celebrate, a celebration marked by dedication, courage, determination, commitment to the pursuit of knowledge and humanity. These recognition rights serve not only as a testament to academic excellence, but also a testament to our resilience to triumph despite adversities.
In this academic journey, the Bicol University academic community has risen above, holding the torch of wisdom, highlighting our way towards educational excellence. This journey is a testament to their character and academic excellence. And today, we proudly celebrate their success. As we begin our ceremonies, let us reflect on the collective efforts that have made this day possible.
Let us all rise as we welcome the Bicol University academic community, honorees and awardees, together with their proud parents and guests. Without further ado, friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, the procession.
Approaching the stage are the graduating students with Latin honors, cum laude with academic distinction, major awardees, special awardees from the Peace Studies Department.
Proceed.
Also approaching are the graduating students with Latin honors cum laude and with academic distinction. Major awardees, special awardees from the psychology department.
And now let us welcome the support staff of non-teaching personnel of BUCSSP from the administration, supply, BC, Dean's Office, Cashiers Research and Extension, Guidance, Registrar, Accounting Office. The teaching personnel from the 7 departments: philosophy, political science, sociology, social work, peace studies, psychology, general education departments.
We also welcome our BU officials, administrators, and the Dean of the OSAS, Professor Dave Stonga, and our Dean and the Associate Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno and Dr. Emelda S. Barce.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain standing for the entrance of colors to be led by the Bicol.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, amen. Let us pause for a while, and in our silence, we recognize God's presence in the midst of our gathering. Ever-living God, our Creator, we begin our day with hearts filled with joy as we celebrate the resurrection of your Son, Jesus, who restored our hope of eternal life. We pray in thanksgiving for all the blessings you have showered upon us, both the big ones and the small ones. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful opportunity to gather and celebrate pieces of victories obtained throughout the school year by our students through your grace. We also recognize and thank the people who are ever supportive of them, their parents and guardians. We are truly grateful for their sacrifices and the love they have shown in deeds.
You may now be seated, and thank you very much, Bicol University ROTC.
Scholarship, leadership, character, and service. These pillars of Bicol University help shape its vision to transcend and become a university for humanity. Today, as we recognize the achievements of our students, we also celebrate the embodiment of these values that guide us in our journey towards excellence.
To the Bicol University President, Dr. Bailey Boy Benjamin D. Nebresi III, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, the Dean of the Office of the Student Affairs Services,
Professor Dave Stonga,
the Dean of College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno, PhD, Associate Dean Dr. Emelda Asuncion S. Barce,
department chairpersons, the teaching personnel, the non-teaching personnel, third guest speaker, Attorney John Eric C. Tizon, honorees,
awardees, students, proud parents, the entire Bicol University academic community, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy Recognition Rights 2024 with the theme
Exemplifying professionalism and versatility in an era of connectivity, a challenge to the graduates as stewards of humanity. Today, we gather to recognize and celebrate the remarkable achievements.
The fragrance remains in the hands that give the rose. We have plentiful of roses here.
this is a celebration of milestone, of success, of victory, and of triumph of all the students
Bicol University College of Social Sciences
in philosophy,
who will be recognized this afternoon as awardees and honorees. Moreover, this is also a celebration of gratitude, of thanksgiving, because your triumphs and successes could not be appropriated by yourselves alone, because this is a collective effort rendered, given by all the elements in the institution. The reason why I said this morning during my opening remarks that we are being propelled to excellence, wherein excellence is going beyond, going above the rest. But greatness is staying with the rest, inspiring others, motivating others in order for them to unleash their power and talents, contribute to the realization of the goals of the institution, of the nation, and of humanity. BU-CSSP is propelling excellence into greatness. To our beloved President, who graced our Part 1 recognition program this morning, our transformative leader and humanity champion president, the 9th president of Bicol University, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Ebrest III, who was accompanied this morning by the mother of the academic family of Bicol University, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores. Now, an official of the university is representing our university administration, Professor Dave Stonga, the Dean of the Office of Students' Affairs and Services, also escorted by the college.
saying,
where in the program's theme, you are challenged. The way it's praised, we have exemplifying professionalism and versatility in the era of connectivity. A challenge to the graduates to be stewards of humanity. We have two groups of awardees this afternoon. The first, the non-graduating students. The second, the graduating, called to be the graduates. After you are conferred with your respective degrees, you'll be called the graduates. But now, the graduates. For the non-graduating student honorees, foremost, equally with the graduating, you must be thankful to God, the provider of everything. Next, to your parents, your faculty, or mentors. The first being your biological parents, the second being your second parent, academic, mother and father, performing the role by legal principle, loco parentis. You must also be thankful to your classmates, to the non-teaching staff, to everybody who in one way or another has or had crossed your way, thereby leaving lessons which may be perhaps etched in your memory or leaving imprints in your memory lane. My friends, the theme says, exemplifying professionalism. As early as today, you have received indicating letters
will serve as your four legs to stand safe and strong as a professional that will get out the four classrooms of Bicol University and enter into the real classroom, which is the world wide world. Wide world. That's the real classroom, wherein you will meet realities. While you say fear is a choice, but danger is real. It is where
your competencies will be tested. There you have to embrace the meaning of the second term in the theme, which is versatility. However, don't be afraid. God is with you. Your mentors are with you. Your parents are with you. Everybody is with you. Just remember that you are honed as a functional, well-rounded students and graduates and professionals to be. But don't forget Rizal's word. Rizal's words. That nothing in this world is too small or too big that is not interconnected with each other. that exists in isolation. Everybody, big or small, has a role to perform in the sublime drama of creation. Therefore, you may see the reality of differences and differentiation, but you cannot do otherwise. So the lesson is be the best of what you have, of what you are, and what you will become. There is no equality, there's only equity in the exercise of professionalism. However, everyone should stand and serve in supplement and in complement with each other. We are in a world, in a wide world, wherein technology is interconnecting us. The technologies are tools. The platforms are part of the tools and devices. But what is important is the soft skill from your teamwork, from camaraderie, from communication, and to the other soft skills. This will make you a perfect being to be a steward of humanity. Because the challenge of humanity is not only within the domestic, but it is across the world. No humanity if you are not going out the country. So my friends, multiple intelligence and competencies are the challenge in order for you to be a perfect guardian, perfect steward of humanity. In closing of my opening message, I'd like you to make RICE plural. R-I-C-E-S. In addition to the 4 pillars or the core values of the university, take note of RICEs. R for responsibility. I for integrity. C for competence. E for excellent, propelled to greatness. And S for sincere services. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, this is the message I choose to welcome you in this afternoon's grandiose 2024 CSSP Recognition Program. Thank you very much, and don't forget, the fragrance remains in the hand that gives the rose. Salamat.
Much, Dean, for that inspiring message.
Help me welcome Mind of Bicol University, who is a living embodiment of the 4 pillars of the university. In his inspirational message through a recorded video, our President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III.
Vice President of Academic Affairs, Dr. Julieta Lopez, to the ever-dynamic and hardworking Dean of the College of Social Science and Philosophy, and our third university professor, Dr. Attorney Nepomuceno, our associate dean, Dr. Marcet, our distinguished speaker and guests, which will be introduced later, Attorney John Eric Dizon. To the program advisors, department chairpersons, students, honorees, parents and guardians, non-teaching personnel, ladies and gentlemen, my Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy family, a blessed day to everyone. Today, I'd like you to imagine a world where nobody appreciates appreciates anybody, what do you think will it be like? It will definitely be a world with demotivated souls. What is it like to be recognized for something that you have truly and wonderfully done? For one, it will be like you have actually reached Abraham Maslow's self-actualization stage. Whether we admit it or not, it feels good to be recognized. Do you feel good to be recognized, dear honorees? Yes or no? Ang my dear faculty and the dean and the associate dean, parang nagkamali kayo ng mag-recognize because they don't feel to be recognized. Dear honors awardees, once again, do you feel to be recognized? Yes or no? Yes! Yan. Kamukuha na pala sa pilitan. Robert McNamara, former U.S. Defense Secretary, said it best, and I quote, "Brains like hearts go where they are appreciated." Thus, this is the purpose why we need to hold recognition days annually in every academic setting. It feels good to be recognized for something that you have truly worked hard for. Cliche as it may sound, recognition entails sacrifices, and this, in turn, entails appreciation. It creates a sense of motivation, a strong feeling of fulfillment. It allows us to strive to be good stewards of humanity when you are recognized for your goodness or excellence in something. You feel good, and when you feel good, you are more likely to think of good thoughts, good intentions, and eventually turning this into reality. All because you were appreciated, you were given due recognition. But it should not stop there in the feeling moment. It should in fact propel each of you, awardees or honorees, to develop a habit of excellence, a heart of gratitude, and hence always ready and willing to serve, even without recognition. A word of caution, though, and I remember this well, my dear honorees. You will not always be recognized, and that's it. That's life. That's okay. Huwag kayong masasanay na palaging pinupuri o binabati. Ha? Baka nagkaroon kasi ng pagbabati na ito, baka taong ito, bati o nakamo. Ha? Kasunod na yan, hindi na recognition, pagpapasatitwari. You are not in this life to live for recognition, but ensure that the life you live will be worthy and meaningful. As Abraham Lincoln said, don't worry when you are not recognized, but instead strive to be worthy of recognition. Your personal worth is far more important than seeking external validation. Strive instead to become bearers of good news, good intentions, and good deeds. All this can be done when you focus on self-improvement and the sustained development of your skills, character, and abilities, so that you can become competent professionals and versatile persons that know the value of strategic connections, becoming stewards of humanity. Today, as you are recognized for upholding the pillars of leadership, scholarship, service, and above all, character, let this moment be a moment of thankfulness for your mentors, for your parents and guardians, and a round of applause. Palakpakan po natin. To everyone who had a hand in your success. After all, nobody ever made it by himself in life. As your efforts are recognized, allow yourself to develop that attitude of passing on that recognition, especially to those who never gave up on you. Tell yourself, tell your friends, tell your seatmate, tell them that you are good, you are kind, hindi ba naiiyak? Kasi nagpapakopay siya ng kapatid. Kasi nililigawan hindi ka panigap. Tell your seatmate about love. You are loved. You are appreciated. Then pass on that message until it creates ripples of appreciation and love. Remember what Mother Teresa of Calcutta said. There is more hunger for love and appreciation than bread. We all produce every form of recognition. We all produce that type of appreciation. At the end of the day, let your recognition serve as a motivation to be better, to do better, to ensure that your corner of the world is much better because you are in it. Let not your recognition be an avenue to think you are the best or that you have the monopoly of skills or knowledge. Remember that the first step to gaining wisdom is to know that you know so little after all. Because everything that you have, all that we have, simply comes from God. Recognizing this is the beginning of wisdom and the road to humility. Keep your heads high and aim for the stars. But keep your feet planted firmly on the ground, that you may always remember to share the limelight and help others shine and find their own stars. Congratulations, and may you continue to uphold the core values of Bicol University. Always remember, the best always starts with you, because be with you, Bicol University is us. Joseph Ambassadors.
Thank you very much, President Nebres, for that message. Indeed, it is now a challenge to us, or to ours, not just humanity.
Completed without the presence of a distinguished alumnus who excel in his career path after graduation, proving that graduates of BUCSP could be great stewards of humanity.
So to introduce our guest speaker, help me welcome the chairperson of the Philosophy Department, Professor Mark Zaldi Okamba.
Officials of Bicol University, headed by the University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, to the Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services, Professor Dave Stonga, to the Dean of the Social Sciences and Philosophy, our very own University Professor, Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno, to the Associate Dean of BUSSSP, Dr. Imelda Asuncion Barce, and to the heads of offices, department chairs, teaching and non-teaching personnel, and of course to our student awardees, proud parents, and esteemed guests, good afternoon. It is my distinct honor and privilege to introduce our keynote speaker for today. He is a man whose impressive accomplishments and dedication have significantly impacted both his professional field and his community. Our esteemed speaker is an alumnus of Bicol University, where he graduated cum laude with a bachelor's degree in philosophy. He further honed his expertise by earning his Juris Doctor degree at the University of Santo Tomas Legazpi. His training in philosophy and law propelled him to pass the bar exam and becoming an excellent lawyer. Currently, he serves as the Chief Legal Officer at the Environmental Management Bureau Legal Office at the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. His dedication to legal excellence is evident through his role as a pro bono lawyer for the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, Albay Chapter, since 2019. He is also a regular lecturer at the Bicolandia Environmental Testing and Consultancy Services. His position also as a legal internship supervisor since 2022 is commendable. Our speaker's commitment extends beyond his professional career. He is an active member of numerous organizations. He has previously led as the president of the Masbate Obra and Tudlo Art Organization. His passion for writing and art was showcased during his tenure as the editor-in-chief and cartoonist of the Kasipi, the official publication of BUSSSP, as well as a member and a cartoonist for Alitea, the official student publication of the AB Philosophy program. Additionally, he served as the Vice President of CEGP Bicol. He is also a former member of the SPDAP, the AB Philosophy debating team, and a former member of the USTL College of Law Moot Court team. Beyond his professional commitments, our speaker is a talented artist, passionately contributing to the arts through exhibitions and competitions. His talents in mural painting, poster making, and still life painting. Notably, he won second place in the Civil Service Commission painting contest. In 2022, he held a solo art exhibition titled Perspective, which showcased the beauty of nature and profound impact of human activity and development to the environment, which highlights the value of environmental conservation and protection as a collective responsibility. Our speaker's versatility extends to sports as well. He's a champion badminton player, having won the DENR 5 Sports Fest for Badminton in 2024 and the Interlaw School Lex Sportiva in 2015. With such a diverse and accomplished background, our speaker embodies the spirit of dedication, excellence, greatness, and service. Friends, it is with great pride that I present to you our keynote speaker. Though he is not here physically, I think we need to still give him a big round of applause. Friends, let me introduce to you Attorney John Eric Tison, our distinguished keynote speaker for the 2024 BUSSSP College Recognition Rights. Again, let us give him a round of applause.
Thank you. Please take your seats. Thank you to our MC, my good friend and classmate, Sir Mark Gantus. And for the kind introduction, Sir Mark, the chairperson of the UCSSB AP Philosophy Program. Isang mapagpala at makakalikasang umaga po sa ating lahat. Okay. To Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, SUC President, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Morris, Vice President for Academic Affairs, to Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno, the Dean of the UCSSB, sir, to Dr. Imelda Asuncion S. Marce, Associate Dean, Department Chairs, Faculty, Members, teaching and non-teaching personnel, honorees and awardees, graduating class of 2024, and proud parents, friends, a pleasant morning to all of us. As an alumnus of this institution, I take great pride in being a member of the BUCSMP community. And so I feel deeply honored and humbled to be invited as your speaker. I am equally privileged to witness this day of celebration and recognition to honor the remarkable achievements of BUCSSBians. Allow me to offer you my warmest congratulations for a job well done. I know for a fact that what you have achieved today is no easy feat. Behind each accolade and award lies the story of unwavering resolve and passion, of consistent effort and sacrifices, and degree of excellence. Today, we validate all your efforts and sacrifices, and we also reflect on the lessons learned along the way. This is my second time being invited by BUCSSB. The first one was in 2019 during the celebration of your founding anniversary. And I'm very excited and grateful to be back. Despite my conflict on my schedule. Actually, I just arrived from Catanduanes State University. I recited a public hearing there. And I'm supposed to leave right away for Masbate for an official engagement. But obviously, hindi ko pwedeng ma-miss yung celebration na to. After all, I have a debt of gratitude to this institution that laid the foundation of who I am and what I have achieved today. So, my task this morning is to give my insights on our team, exemplifying professionalism and versatility in an era of connectivity. We challenge the graduates as stewards of humanity, and also to share with you a glimpse of my journey as a young professional, that hopefully will resonate with you as you reflect on your achievements and as you look forward to what lies ahead. So, as my reflection on our theme, I'd like to talk about the value of striving for excellence and cultivating virtues as important ingredients to success. Okay? Perhaps we all share a deep curiosity on what it takes to become successful. Or in other words, how to become successful in life. Diba? I have to admit, this is a difficult question to answer. Dahil the definition of success and the metric by which we measure success is inherently different for every person. of us aspire to realize our dreams, to reach our goals and potentials, and to serve our purpose in life. To some extent, the realization of these things can be equated to success. So, while there is no exact ingredients to success, I am certain that pursuing excellence will give us desirable result. It will bring us closer to success. I've come across a saying that when your goal is excellence, the byproduct is oftentimes success. Okay? According to philosopher Aristotle in his Nicomachean Ethics, he conceived excellence as a form of virtue, both intellectual and moral virtues. His moral philosophy requires us to actively cultivate virtues through practice, learning, and habituation in order to achieve professional and personal development. As a public servant, I draw inspiration from this philosophical point of view in terms of my work ethic and my management or leadership approach. I have always emphasized this point with my staff, and perhaps yung mga former legal interns ko dito, nasaan? Please raise your hands. Saan yung mga legal interns ko dito from philosophy and political science department? O, andito sila. Congratulations, ano? Perhaps you can also attest that I put premium on both intellectual and moral excellence. Diba? While academic or when having good grades is an admirable achievement, moral excellence is equally important. So students, I hope we do not settle for academic excellence. We must also cultivate moral excellence. Diba? Sabi nga kanina ni SUC President natin, dapat we must strive for recognition because of our good intentions and good deeds. So dapat academic excellence and moral excellence. Okay. In addition to this, pursuing excellence demands from us the following. First, it demands us to do or to give our best. Excellence should not be confused with perfection. It simply means that in any given situation, we must strive to consistently give our all, to commit for improvement, to be more prepared, disciplined, to give our time and focus, to risk more, to be more courageous, and may I borrow the words of our BUCSSB team, excellence is going far and beyond. No? In an era geared towards instant gratification, we often find ourselves seeking for shortcuts. We wish for results or for success to come sooner rather than later. But in life, I've realized that there are no shortcuts to success. Wala pong ganun. May I share this story? Years ago, while waiting for the result of the bar examinations, I applied for several jobs here in Bicol. Marami akong in-applyan dahil gusto ko maging productive, gusto ko maging independent. So, in particular, I applied for an administrative position. Nagsabit naman ng application. I took up the qualifying test, and I performed well. In fact, out of maybe 150 applicants, walo lang yung pumasa isa ko doon. And I also performed well during the panel interview. So, honestly, mataas yung hopes ko to land the job because of my performance, because of my undergrad and law degree. But you know what? Rejected in result. Why? I was told na I was overqualified for the position. Diba? After going through the rigorous process, only to find out na overqualified ka pala sa position. So, sabi ko, medyo disappointed ako at sabi ko, babawi ako kapag pagka-lawyer na ako. So, nung abogado na ako, I applied again for positions in government agencies. This time, speak for lawyers. Confident na ako na this time, I have the needed qualification to get the job, to get the position. But you know what? Rejected again. Not only once, but twice. Dalawang rejections. This time qualified, but lacking in experience compared to other applicants. So, I feel disappointed, disheartened, yes, but more determined. More determined, I applied, I continuously look for other opportunities. I gained relevant experience in sharpening my skills in the process. I took up litigation cases, civil, criminal, and administrative cases. I volunteered as a pro bono lawyer at the Integrated Bar of the Philippines Anti Chapter. I offered my free legal services, representation, consultation. I conducted lectures to schools and the community to raise awareness. So, yun yung mga ginawa ko, para ma-improve ko yung sarili ko. I persevered until I landed at my present job as the Chief Legal Officer at the DENR Environmental Management Bureau. So, yun yung journey ko. Hindi lahat ay, di ba? Yung nakikita lang natin minsan yung outcome, but yung journey, hindi natin yung alam, hindi natin nakikita. So, ito yung experience for most of us. Minsan fresh graduate tayo, pero hahanapan tayo ng 3 years relevant experience. Diba? Minsan naman, we have the qualification, but wala tayo minsan yung backer. Diba? That's the reality for most of us. But in life, there will be moments of doubts and defeats. Setbacks and tribulations are inevitable part of our journey. It is during these times that we learn and appreciate the value of patience, of perseverance, and humility. Minsan, akala natin rejections, but maybe a change in mindset. Baka hindi siya rejections, but merely redirections. Maybe God is redirecting our lives to some other purpose. Diba? Maybe dinadala niya tayo doon sa lugar kung saan masiserve natin yung purpose natin. To a place where we are needed, to a place we are more appreciated. So, yun. It is also during these moments that doing and giving our best is even more crucial. In order to succeed in life, we have to trust in our hard work. Our efforts will never betray us. And more importantly, trust in God's perfect timing. Our sacrifices will never go unnoticed or unrewarded. At ako po ang living proof niya. Personally, yung mga efforts ko, yung mga sacrifices ko, paid off every day. Okay. My next and final point is excellence demands from us to do things with accountability, with responsibility, and pride. Okay? I believe that the unprecedented changes brought by innovations, particularly innovations in technology and communication, have diminished our sense of accountability, responsibility, and pride. In particular, artificial intelligence, social media, and video sharing platforms have transformed our lives and moral perspectives. On one side, the remarkable impact of these innovations to propel socio-economic progress cannot be discounted. New technologies enable us to find solutions and approaches to solve and mitigate global challenges and problems such as poverty, water and food security, climate change, and in finding renewable energy resources. It allowed for breakthroughs in science and technology, transforming healthcare services, and in finding and developing cure for diseases and epidemics. It has also revolutionized e-commerce and allowed us to shop from the comfort of our homes. The conduct of meaningful remote teaching and learning was also made possible through virtual platforms. It redefines communication, enabling instant sharing and posting information across the globe and many more. The profound impact of these innovations in our lives are undeniable. However, these innovations have also brought us myriad of challenges and ethical considerations. In particular, advancement in technology and communication have allowed the proliferation of cybercrime cases at an alarming rate. In an article published by Philippine Star in April 2024, the Anti-Cybercrime Group reported a staggering 469 cybercrime cases in the first quarter of the year, a significant increase in cases compared to last year. Majority of these cases represents online scams, identity theft, online libel, anti-photo and video voyeurism, unjust vexation, fraud, pornography, and violation of Safe Spaces Act committed online. Moreover, the rise of artificial intelligence or AI, such as AI algorithm, AI-generated images, video, and voice changer, deepfakes, have dominated the social media and video sharing platforms. In fact, just this morning, nagpabrowse ako ng aming Facebook. Nakita ko doon sa Reels, dalawang senator sumasayaw ng TikTok trend na selos kasama si Mayor Alice Go. Familiar ba kayo doon? Diba? Kita niyo ba yung video na yun? Napaka-synchronize ng kanilang TikTok dance. Aakalain mo talagang totoo. If not for the absurdity of the content. Diba? This is a testament that we are now living in an era where fake news, misinformation, and disinformation is becoming the trend. It's becoming the norm. And truth or authenticity is now a luxury. Moreover, the observed dependence of some students, again, some students, to artificial intelligence, particularly ChatGPT. Familiar ba kayo doon? Diba? ChatGPT, according to Google, ChatGPT daw is an advanced AI chatbot to generate automatic responses or answers to users' questions or to carry out complex tasks such as writing articles and essays. These highlights the culture that highly favors convenience over quality, over creative and critical thinking, and intellectual honesty. This realization invites us to re-examine our values in order to cope with the unprecedented times and changes. As seekers of truth, wisdom, and justice, it is our moral responsibility to ensure that we build responsibly not only the use of technology, but also resources at our disposal, our title, our position, our authority, wealth, and social status in a manner that aligns with our values and ethics in order to serve our purpose, our higher purpose as human beings. That is, to create a prosperous, just, humane, sustainable, equitable, and interconnected future for all of us. In closing, I would like to once again congratulate you on your achievements today, and I journey. May your relentless pursuit of excellence bring you fulfillment and success in life. And may you always remember that our success will truly be meaningful if we dedicate the same in making the world a better place for all. Hindi patapos. No? Finally, as stewards of humanity, we owe it to humanity to not only, di ba, do good deeds and good intentions, but also advocate for environmental stewardship. Our collective efforts and responsibility to conserve, protect, and manage our finite natural resources and environment for the present and future generations. Maraming salamat and Diyos mapalas.
Attorney John Eric Citizen for accepting our invitation. CSSP, particularly the Philosophy Department, is proud of your achievement in serving the people and promoting humanity.
And now, the most awaited part is the awarding of certificates and medals to our graduating students, student awardees, and honors.
So just a reminder, to ensure the smooth flow and solemnity of the program, we kindly ask everyone, especially the student awardees, to remain proper and seated until the end of the ceremony. For photo opportunities and to avoid congestion on stage, designated areas have been set up. After receiving your award, you will proceed to these areas for photos. Then return to your assigned seats and remain seated until the program concludes. So, we have our ushers to guide you with these concerns. Thank you for your cooperation.
Awarding the Latin honors. Ladies and gentlemen, the awardees for the 2024 BUCSSP Recognition Rights, the graduating class of 2024 with Latin honors. They exemplify the pillar of character and scholarship, achieving the award as cum laude. At the same time, they will be awarded the Dean's Listers Award for the second semester of academic year 2022-2023 and the first semester of academic year 2023-2024.
The Office of Student Affairs and Services at Professor Dave Stonga, and the Dean and Associate Dean of the College, Dr. Imelda Asuciones Barce, and Attorney Alex B. Nepomuceno. They will be assisted by the CSSP Office of the Registrar and the respective department chairpersons.
Department. May I call on stage Professor Axel Ognita for the presentation of cum laude and Dean's Listers for the graduating class of 2024.
Good afternoon. May I present to you the Latin honors of ABP Studies. Andes Elena Joy, cum laude, Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022-2023. Marqueses Ann Rose, cum laude. Buringot Lilibeth, cum laude, Dean's Lister for the second semester academic year 2022-2023. Agualio Aris, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester academic year 2022-2023. Matienzo Zaira May, cum laude. Luzon Arlene, cum laude. Core Marian Cecil, cum laude, Dean's Lister for the second semester academic year 2022-2023. Abinio Marvin, cum laude, Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022 to 2023. Colliantes May Clarice, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022 to 2023. Cano Roslyn, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester academic year 2022 to 2023. Barce Marwin, cum laude. Neo Jane, cum laude. Mata Janet, cum laude. Bailon Bea Marie, cum laude. De Los Angeles, Jovi, cum laude. Ross Christine Lauren, cum laude. Nolasco Maika, cum laude. Mendoza Rashid Jasper, cum laude. Nuda Daniela, cum laude. Escolano Oliver Grant, cum laude and then Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022 to 2023. Andes Jonah May, cum laude. Casimiro Eunice, cum laude. Agripa Nicola Lori, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the first semester academic year 2023 to 2024. Atuli Angeline, cum laude. Montalban Vanessa Gale, cum laude. Abitria Juliana Francesca Nari, cum laude. Peralta John Mark, cum laude. Manata Nadine Charis, cum laude. Kalayag Fiona Angeline, cum laude. Vanessa Danico, cum laude. Mangampo Emerson, cum laude. Ariola Rhea Jean, cum laude. Balana Denver, cum laude. Mulyasgo Jake Ian, cum laude. Matamorosa Jonami, cum laude. Silirio Juan Miguel, cum laude. Oo. Morano Jameline May, cum laude. Andes Loreline, cum laude. Cabilis James Peter, cum laude. Campos Jillian May, cum laude. And with academic distinction, Nunez Stephanie, and Vargas Brian.
Thank you very much, Professor Agnita, and congratulations to the awardees from the PC Studies Department.
Honors and Dean's Listers for the graduating students from the Social Work Department, may I call on stage Professor Karen Ledones and Professor Tanya L. Año Nuevo. May we also request the department chairperson, Professor Cherry M. Dicoco, to assist with the awarding.
BS Social Work graduates with Latin honors. Masina Sandre Aisain P., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Foster Tony Lou F., cum laude, Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Lomerio Eliza May A., cum laude, Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Hipos Gia Clarice S., cum laude, Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Nuez Rachel Ann L., cum laude. Olvinar James T., cum laude. Obispo Sheena May M., cum laude, Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Arevalo Eula D., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Boticario Joanna Marie R., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Triñanes John Millicent Nicole B., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Aguilar Ronaline L., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Noel Maria Giselle N., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Ranyola Adrian K.S., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023 to 2024. Valladolid Jane N., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Arevalo John Lloyd P., cum laude. Rebosquillo Maxine N., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Dr. Johanna S., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Jibelagin Luella Rose E., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Dangalan Camille L., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Evangelista Cedric June I., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Ramirez Maria Abi V., cum laude. Villaruel Ronaldin B., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Kodya Shanice Izzy Rosen, cum laude, and then solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Arganda Candice A., cum laude. Osia Jason B., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Belaro Francisco A., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Espina Jaen Michael B., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Nilo Isil N., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Mendaros Pauline Marie V., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Azores Ami Joy A., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Rojas Luna Clara P., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Apuyan Jane M., cum laude. Luces Christabel M., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Boates Camille B., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Servan Lauren Ann C., cum laude. Benavente Hazel Bianca C., cum laude. Lastrilla Sheila M., cum laude, and Dean Solicitor for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Idalia Yvette Marie B., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Sulinap Maureen Audrey A., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Rivera Danica Jane L., cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Cialna Angel B., cum laude. With academic distinction, Guamos RJM. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you very much, Professor Evo, and congratulations to the awardees from the Social Work Department.
To award the Latin Honors and Dean's Listers for the graduating students from Psychology Department, may I call on stage Professor Ray Hento, the Department Chair, Dr. Sopronio Pilar.
Bachelor of Science in Psychology Latin Honors. Merciales Joan Tricia May, cum laude. Bustamante Cameron Moira, cum laude. Eva Averose Dane, cum laude. My favorite student, Pimentel Avril Joan, cum laude. Nacario Jan Nicole, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023-2024. Carpio Elaine Justine, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023-2024. Danao Fiona Nicole, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023-2024. Paderanga Marcella Jane, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022-2024 and first semester of 2023-2024. Belale P. Flores, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023-2024. Sa Bukor, Jamie, cum laude. Endoso Christine, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022-2023. Kalayo Sheena, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023-2024. Dominguez Laika, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023-2024. Molato, Mary Gabriel, cum laude. Villafuerte Maria Ena Luis, cum laude. Sabi Jasmine Gwinnett, cum laude. John Rosemary, cum laude. Lim Sharina May, cum laude. Sepcon Annabel, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022-2023 and first semester 2023-2024. Valmadrid Arabella, cum laude, Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023-2024. Velasco Michael, cum laude, Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023 to 2024. Brito Mariel Ann, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester, 2022 to 2023, and first semester of 2023 to 2024. Napay Julian Rose, cum laude. Narvaez Shane Marie, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester, 2022 to 2023, and first semester, 2023 to 2024. La Guardia Kayla Marie, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester, 2022-2023, and first semester of academic year 2023 to 2024. Lunas Jan Jomar, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022-2023, and first semester of 2023 to 2024. Balingbing Marilia Therese, cum laude. Orogo Alj, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the first sem, 2023-2024. Pasit Trisha Angela, cum laude. Almoeda Darwin Joshua, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the first sem, 2023-2024. Frencillo Leslie, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester of 2022-2023, and first semester of 2023 to 2024. Rombano Kaylee, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester of 2022-2023, and first semester of 2023 to 2024. Abehuela Novi, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the first semester, 2023 to 2024. Omario Berna Jane, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the first semester of 2023-2024. Ranyosa Mia Colin, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester of 2022-2023, and first semester of 2023-2024. Operario Alkien, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester of 2022 to 2023, and first semester of 2023 to 2024. Lasam Kendrick Dale, cum laude and Dean's Lister for the second semester of 2022-2023, and first semester of 2023-2024. Moral Kevin, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the first semester, 2023 to 2024. Perdigon Jasmine Ricky, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester of school year 2022 to 2023 and first semester 2023 to 2024. Maximo Christine Nicole, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022 to 2023 and first semester of 2023 to 2024. Rabino Kayla Chelsea, cum laude, and Dean's Lister for the second semester 2022 to 2023 and first semester of 2023 to 2024. Buenavente Maria Teresa with academic distinction. Orines BMA with academic distinction. Manrique Joanna E.C. with academic distinction. Okol Jessa Ivy, Dean's Lister for the first semester 2023 to 2024. Arienda Nicole Jane. With academic distinction. Perete Jillian May with academic distinction. Tone Karina Isabel with academic distinction and Dean's Lister for the second semester of academic year 2022-2023 and first semester of academic year 2023 to 2024. Parameda Lauren Jane with academic distinction and Dean's Lister for the second semester of academic year 2022-2023 and first semester of academic year 2023 to 2020. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Dr. Belardo, Dr. Orwalius, Dr. Villafuerte, Professor Hinlo, and congratulations to all the awardees of the Psychology Department.
And thank you also to Professor Dave Stonga, Accounting Department, Dr. Garza, and the respective department chairpersons for awarding the graduating class of 2024 with Latin.
At this point, the awarding for the Dean's Listers. Ladies and gentlemen, the awarding of the Certificate of Recognition to the Dean's List students of the second semester of academic year 2022-2023 in the first semester of 2023-2024.
And to award the certificate of recognition to the Dean's List students, may I invite on the stage the respective department chairpersons and faculty members.
For the Peace Studies Department, may I call on stage Dr. Herbert Usana, Professor Joy Landelar, and the faculty for the presentations of Dean's Listers for the second semester of academic year 2022-2023 in the first semester of 2023-2024.
Bachelor of Arts in Peace Studies academic awardees for the first semester academic year 2022-2023 and second semester academic year 2023-2024. Año Nuevo, Joseph. Avila, Angel. Balila, Argel John. Campilio, Syra. Cervantes, Trina. Esperida, Mariela. Judan, Kathleen May. Mancera, Kayla. Manuel, Zina Faith. Marbella, Jamie Lee. Marquez, Josame, Trisha. Matamorosa, Kay. Nales, Jeneline. Nove, Ray. Paklibar, Evelyn. Pastrana, Carmela. Kinday, Clark, Anthony. Rapisura, Omar. Hendrika Ford, Charmely. For the second semester, academic year 2022-2023. Alamares, Justin, Julian D. Banyares, Nikki A. Del Rosario, Shelo Marie L. De la Cruz, Nicole. For the first semester, academic year 2023-2024. Abrigo, John Kenneth M. Agripa Maria Ayen May. Puban Kenny P. D. Castro LJD. Constantino John Carl B. De la Cruz Gerald C. Espinosa Niño Clarence R. Lagilies Kimberly C. Lana Gemma Rose T. Beva Mel Cesar R. Lunas Don Blaze Martin S. Malio Arbe B. Mitra Janale A. Nasidor Rona May F. Yeva Maria Luisa Sandria M. Nunez Glenn Christian Y. Palien January N. Toledo Luis Patrick N. Valladolid Rika May L. Samar Stephanie and San Buenaventura Ivan F. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rosana, Professor Agnita, Professor Landilar, and congratulations to the Dean's Listers from the Peace Studies Department.
We now move on to the awardees from the Social Work Department. And to award the Dean's Listers for the second semester of academic year 2022 to 2023 and the first semester of 2023 to 2024, may I call on the stage the Department Chairperson of the Social Work Department, Professor Cherry M. Picojo, and to be announced, the awardees will be announced by Professor Karen Liadones.
With pride, I'd like to present the BS Social Work Academic Awardees for both semesters. Abion Christine G. Agnote Ariel L. Babia Beverly Rose R. Balbuena Shane B. Palmedina Helena Joy. Batakan Mikey S. Broma Angeline D. Canyo Mary Joy P. Cass Angeline A. Cha Althea D. Shervo Angel S. Del Prado Annie M. Jacob Florence Arnie M. Lieno Rufa May E. Mapusaw Jana B. Niserio Camille N. Polyoso Laika P. Rapero Rochin L. Rengad Shani R. Riodike Daina D. Toledo Erica A. Triñanes John Alia N. Our academic awardees for second semester 2022 to 2023. Acabado Julian Yancy B. Arienda Claudine C. Ostero Jen Hale D. Bailon Lori Lee O. Bergonio Lisa Marie B. Berha Shane Lee S. Berha Dean S. Bertumen Cliff Jean B. Wessing James Peter R. Casabuena Clarence A. Cortez Maria Fern A. Dilaw Kenneth L. Dili Dili Claudia R. Fernandez Dayan S. Francisco Maria Aubrey O. Hidayaw Alexis B. Giliego Russell Jane G. Graho Glamour Dane F. Yaguno Charles Isidro L. Yanera Mary Rose B. Yona Rica May N. Lopez Mark David B. Loreno Maria Cristina S. Lozano Sirlane Joy P. Marceliana Juvie M. Marmol John Paul L. Milalios Aleph B. Miranda Angel Silo A. Odifer Jillian Christiana L. Rapi Maitu Sara Bienchi. Riantaso Charlene P. Rodriguez Mary Rose Mary May L. Solano Robert Jr. M. Talde Rhea M. Talier Raymond B. Danawan Ella May C. Trinidad John Dave O. Awardees for the first semester, academic year 2023 to 2024. Aguilar Maresha Kayla. Alabastro Amy Marie B. Alama Rovi Angel R. Alberto Maria Akia L. Alsaga Maria Angeline O. Amante Maria Isabel A. Andesa Siwashi May A. Año Nuevo Altea B. Año Nuevo May Charis B. Arellano Natasha Joy S. Aringo Jaisel A. Aranques Christine Joy B. Arangues Christine Joy B. Aspa Steven Ivan N. Baharo Christine A. Balute Jessit Jane B. Barde Daniela M. Barquilla Ronel B. Marion Molin R. Basilia Maria Cristina L. Bermundo Camille B. Bertilio Nicole Alcea U. Boboyo John Michael B. Borromeo Dan Carlo B. Bron Mary Christine C. Broso Jasper Rael T. Wesing Ruela D. Bukid Champi. Cabunila Summer Q. Kadag Lovely V. Camu Gio Antoinette A. Celedonio Danica S. De Guzman Syra M. Diesa Kyle Hendrick C. Ebrada John Mark R. Gabion Juebel Alvayaja B. Galias Giselle Cassandra G. Gallardo Maricar H. Gonzaga Alexandra D. Imperial Catherine Nova M. Avilio Jessamy L. Legaspi Merlin and Joy R. Lexon Cassandra L. Lestones Carl Nina B. Litana Maidel Joy J. Yasos Aloha May C. Lopez Les P. Luna Maris Carol M. Mabini Egeline A. Madrona Mark Francis C. Malakilia Maria Luisa. Marco Markit I. Marino Cristina Carla. Miliena Jamela L. Miranda Sunshine M. Napay Bridget Joy M. Navarro Lance Andre L. Nero Harvey Chaser O. Niebla Jacqueline I. Diosco Christine S. Rosedo Monica N. Pacheco Monica D. Bakla Rubina Ray A.T. Pamor Karen Meiji. Pareja Alia Rodarica Faith C. Paste Christine A. Belonio Alexa Joy O. Relihera Ronan Jr. O. Roliamante Niña Janela F. Rayala Juliana Nika J. Redilias Jamon. Ricafort Christian Jesusa L. Rica Frente Gwen Eloisa I. Salazar Anel A. Saliena Crismel L. Solano Shimaya B. Tualia Kulin D. Valladores Alia Sofia R. Villanueva Gislaine V. Alabastro Amy Marie B. Congratulations!
Thank you very much, Professor Leodones, Professor Sales, Professor Mendoza, Professor Nino Franco, Professor Baldosa, Professor Oclaray, and to the department chairperson, Professor Di Coco. And congratulations to the awardees from the Social Work Department.
Moving on to the next department, to award the Dean's Listers for the second semester of academic year 2022-2023 in the first semester of 2023-2024 from Psychology Department. May I call on stage the beloved chairperson, Dr. Sopronio Bilardo, Dr. Roja Rualios, Dr. Salvacion Villaferte, and Professor Ray Hin.
Presenting to you the BS Psychology Academic Awardees for both semesters. Abache Angelo Estanislao M. Alzaga Eliza C. Azul Catherine May E. Azures Althea Yuen S. Barcenas Ara Nicole. Bermas Emery B. Bongalon Nicole B. Kadag Diane Rose M. Escuela John Michael G. Dominguez Polino B. Escol Julma P. Franz Diana Sarah P. Yarena Daniel Loremia Maria Fe Miguela R. Gloria Francine May. Magalona Tricia May L. Malyapre Aliyah May B. Mayor Ella May S. Porta Silvindo Theodore S. Nation Jessery S. Nieva Albion O. Padilla Joanna May A. Ranyola Biko L. Quintana Jericho Celso C. Quintana Jericho Celso C. Ventura Christine G. N. William Moore Roberto Sebastian E. Academic awardees for the second semester, academic year 2022 to 2023, Balyon Angel B. Balyon Angel B. Barcenas Florence Dian. Preponeria KP. Guerra Felisa Cobilia Francine Laris B. Estuye Juliana Ezequiel M. Herolia Adrian B. Pimentel Paula Angela T. Salvatierra Janine J. Academic awardees for the first semester, academic year 2023 to 2024, Aberion Nicole Andrea. Aguinaldo Jovic M. Aguinilio Adrian T. Almonte Maribel Fiona C. Ante Al Vincent Gerard P. Arienda Mercy B. Arrimado Eliza Jude G. Arroco Mariam Feliz I. Asagra Clint Joren S. Asejo Iana Marie A. Asiado Simon Ether T. Azuero K. Ashley L. Bailon Silver Alexandra D. Malanoyos Albea D. Balbalosa Rena G. Balde Tiffany M. Palmes Arabi. Banal Andrea Faye I. Baruga Mary Grace C. Baito Luis Martin P. Belen Lovelyn Joy D. Belo Freddy Shanama B. Beria Georgines Marie M. Bernalyn B. Bigata Arabella A. Bolongaita Krista Ann A. Bon Antoinette H. Bore Janil Franci. Wesa Janine Joy F. Ulan Patricia Ann S. Caceres Nicole G. Ganeva Giselle C. Karandang Patricia May. Cargulio Karen Alexandra D. Casquejo Julia Micaela. Cirilio Mona Lisa T. Colyao Maureen Paula H. Concepcion Angela Faye B. Daet Gwen Keith B. Dalaay Jana May N. Gizon Regine I. Ergina Kimberly D. Escame Ryanin S. Booster Princess KF. Garcia Athena Marie A. Gabarya Princess Jean. Giriba Catherine M. Bumabaw Meg Andrea J. Ibieta Hazel Marie M. Hakop Ibon Latonero Rachel A. Yagas Raylin M. Lieno Faith Ann M. Lucinario Shelamea M. Masinas Hazel M. Malate Kathleen Thea H. Masagka Maria Janina. Mendoza Shelly Trixie B. Mercado Kiara O. Bestiola Marian Ruth A. Mirabel Jail Karil A. Naldo Esther Joyce I. Namok Charlene B. Napot Nikki B. Nas Cinderella H. Nopamora Lance Kirby N. Yuika Diana June A. Openya John Mark N. Pamplona Maria Faith C. Peñaranda Arabella B. Pertes Dexter A. Wite Cindy A. Reyaso Juliana P. Reliores Saisa Marie S. Reniba Maureen May D. Rodriguez Erica Rose L. Rhonda Sharice Laika O. Ruga Shane Julia A. Sanglay Carmel Joy O. Sario Andre D. Soltes April H. Soto Ana May M. Tambobong James Edward M. Tasik Ashley B. Tatel Jire Elaine D. Bejerano Jessamy N. Vergara Blessing. Vibar Christine A. Villamor Giselle S. Villanueva Johnny Joy M. Outstanding Student of the College, and to the Albay Congressman Joey Sorte Salceda Leadership Award, and the President of BU Psyche, John Anton Mel D. Borselis. Psychology Department, Best Thesis, again, congratulations.
Dr. Walius, Dr. Villaferte, and our beloved chairperson of the Psychology Department, Dr. Supronio Bilardo. And congratulations to all the awardees of the Psychology Department. And now for the special awards.
In this path of academic excellence, there are students and organizations who show extraordinary effort, leading them to become outstanding. To award special recognition to students who excel, not just in academics, but also in service and leadership, may we invite on the stage Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, Dr. Emelda S. Barce, the department chairpersons of the Peace Studies Department, Social Work Department, Psychology Department, and the chairperson of the General Education Department, Dr. Herbert B. Rosana, Professor Cherry M. Ticoco, Dr. Cipronio R. Bilardo, and Professor Gerardo B. Lawenco Jr.
For the Leadership Award, recipient of 2nd District Albay Congressman Joey Sarti Salceda Leadership Award, Natalie L. Marantal, President Junior Peace Advocates, and Jamil Azores, President Human Welfare Advocates.
And for our service awardees, we have the BUCSSP College Student Council for the academic year 2023 to 2024. Elena Joy Andes, the College Student Council Secretary, Janelle Serio, Auditor, and Henry Dumangas Jr., Representative. Editorial board for the academic year 2023-2024, we have Lemuel Dave Azania, the senior editor, Iliosa Reeves Samar, layout and design editor, Raylin Liagas, sports editor, and Swivel Avaija Gabion, broadcasting chief, and Hazel Antayam, online content editor, and Jason Annebrad, online content editor. Congratulations. The Bicol University Academy is not just a place where we acquire knowledge, but also a place that fosters a culture of intellectual pursuit, inquiry, and discovery through research. At this point, allow us to recognize the best research or thesis of each department that shows exceptional research quality that contributes to the contemporary discourse and their chosen fields. At this juncture, we award the department best thesis and the winners in the recently concluded 2024 screening of BUCSSP student R&D papers.
For Peace Studies Department, Alina Joy E. Andes, Janet M. Mata, Frances May Nagrampa. This is titled Incarcerated Challenges in the Gender-Related Experiences of Women Deprived of Liberty at Legazpi City Jail.
Best Teachers Awardee from the Peace Studies Department, we have Jake Ahero and Chanel Bonso, Bea Marie T. Bailon. For Their thesis titled Anti-Crime Measures in Barangay 49, Bigaan, Legazpi City.
For Social Work Department, Sandray Hussein Masinas, Mulin Marie V. Mendaros, Maxime Henry Busquillo, Chimea V. Solano, Gislaine V. Villanueva. This is titled Collecting Experiences, Cultivating Wisdom, Narratives of Retired Bicolano Social Workers, Practice and Beyond.
The best thesis award from the psychology department goes to Nicole Jane B. Arienda, Christine Joy F. Belga, Christine B. Endoso, Vector Joseph A. Canaro, with their thesis title Phenomenologizing the Romantic Relationship Practices Among Young Adults with Tagasalo Personality. I also request stage Professor Tanya Alvino Nuevo to assist in the award. To the awardees and the recently concluded 2024 PUCSSB R&D Forum. For research category, we have Agenda 3 Health and Health Systems Management. First place goes to Marilia Therese B. Balingbi, Euphrame Lian B. Bereso, Risha B. Bonsa, Mark Angelo S. Mercado, and Hazel A. Primavera with their thesis title, Wherein to be Unattractive, Phenomenologizing Body Dissatisfaction Among Filipino Young Adults.
'24 BUC SSB R&D Forum Awards for Agenda 5, Inclusive Education and Lifelong Learning. First place, Maria Celine C. Kadak, Serena May P. Lim, John Jomar L. Lunas, Jericho Celso C. Requentina. Do you ever think about dying? A phenomenological analysis of death students.
We go now to the development category under Agenda 2, Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology. First place, Camryn Moira L. Bustamante, Janelle Ann B. Serio, Yuna Nicole B. Danao, with their thesis title, Is Good Enough, a grounded theory on mediocrity among college students.
Another R&D Forum Award is for first place, Agenda 4, Climate Change, Adaptation, and Disaster Risk Reduction and Management. First place, Maria Sarina B. Barasona, Laika L. Comingis, Mary Gabriele B. Mulato, Berna Jane B. Pumario. Titled, A Grounded Theory on Disaster Response, Decision-Making Among Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Responders.
last but not the least of our research awardees, under development category, Agenda 5 Inclusive Education and Lifelong Learning. First place, we have Gabriel Ann M. Basbas, Kevin F. Bural, Jemarie J. Matamorosa, Demi D. Moratalia, and Al J. Orogo with their thesis title, Learning GPT, a multiple case study on ChatGPT over-reliance among tertiary students. Sir, we go now to the awarding of our outstanding professors and the recently QCE evaluation. So let me read the citations. Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Daraga Albay, award this certificate of commendation to the following: for their exemplary performance by garnering a rating of outstanding for the teaching effectiveness of the faculty for the first semester, school year 2023 to 2024. Given this 5th day of July 2024 at Busing Gymnasium, BU East Campus, Legazpi City. Signed, our Associate Dean, Dr. Imelda Asuncion Barce, Attorney Nepomuceno, our Dean and our SUC President for Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nevers. Again, certificate of commendation awarded to Professor Tanya L. Año for being an outstanding faculty for the first semester and the second semester of 2023 to 2024.
Certificate of commendation to Jerry M. Goff for her exemplary performance for the teaching effectiveness of the faculty for the first semester, school year 2023.
Same certificate of commendation awarded to Professor Angelo C. Oclaray for being an outstanding teacher of our college for both the first and second semesters of the school year 2023 and 2024.
Another certificate of commendation, Professor Maria Vida Teresa Osales, for her exemplary performance in teaching effectiveness of the faculty for the school year 2020-2021.
Same certificate of commendation awarded to Professor Ras Daniel for being an outstanding or for garnering an outstanding performance in the teaching effectiveness of the faculty for the first semester, school year 2023 and 2024.
Another certificate of commendation to Professor Dr. Salvacion L. Villaferte for her exemplary performance in 2024.
Congratulations for exemplifying outstanding performance in your respective fields.
Congratulations to all awardees and proud parents of students from the Social Work, Psychology Department, and Peace Studies for their milestone achievement. We look forward that this achievement will not stop you here but become your motivation to further your endeavors and live a good life.
And to give the closing remarks for this program, may I call on the Associate Dean of our college, Dr. Imelda Asuncion S. Barce.
Pakatapos mi sir mag-ano.
Pleasant afternoon to all of you, to our President Baby Boy Nebres III, our VPAA Maria Juliet Bores, to our Dean Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, the department chairs, faculty, non-teaching staff, students, and their parents, and all the guests present in this hall. Again, good afternoon. Life is an echo of what you do. Your success is based on what you have done. Perseverance, motivation, and good values are things that had brought you to this level. This is not the end of your achievement. This is only another beginning to a new level of your achievement. As what the Dean have always said, it is not only about excellence that you have to achieve, but rather greatness. He always had emphasized this in any of his speeches. And so, we hope that this recognition, the awards that you were able to get, will only lead you not only to excellence, but greatness. And in this juncture, I would like to give our gratitude to all the people who have made this activity a success. The chair of the 2024 BUCSSP recognition ceremony, headed by the Philosophy Department, the Department Chair, Professor Mark Camba, the design and decoration of our in-house resident stage decorator and the faculty of Sociology Department, Professor Glenton Giriba, and all the other people, the CSAC, Professor Tanya Año-Nuevo, and the CSC, the philosophy students who have been here, the sociology students, and all those other faculty students that were not named off. Very, very thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all the help that you have extended to us. You are all just a message away, a call away, whenever there are instructions being given for you to be able to extend those help. So again, congratulations to all of you and thank you.
Barce?
University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy would like to thank and acknowledge the following for making this ceremony a success. Bicol University Administration, headed by Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III. BUCSSB Office, headed by Attorney Alex Vitipomaceno. Our guest speaker, Attorney John Eric Citizen. BUCSSB Department Chairpersons, teaching and non-teaching personnel, College Student Council, all recognition committee heads and members, BU ROTC Nights, students who helped in the preparation of this momentous event, honorees and awardees, proud parents, and to everyone who works hard on the celebration of success.
Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat na nagsipagdalo sa hapong ito.
Mabuhay ang Batch 2024!
Mabuhay ang Bicol University!
This is Jomar P. Urbano.
Fernandino J. Pancho from Philosophy Department, now signing off.
Thank you very much.
I request all faculty members and teaching personnel for the photographs on stage.